Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson, MarineMax here at Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm doing a video walkthrough of a newly arrived trade-in used 2017 Scarab. This boat is 19 foot long. Taking you through the front here, it has a lot of nice features, very comfortable seating. It's got the snap-in marine grade sea deck flooring. Nice step through up top here. Got the walkthrough with the fold down windshield. Really nice, comfortable dual captain seats. You can see it has the bolster. This also has the bolster. Big glove box, lots of storage. Really roomy for a 19. Nice wraparound seating. Center cushion will come out so you have a nice walkthrough. These back seats actually will flip forward so you can sit and lounge off the back or sit inside the boat. Really cool area, hang out there. Nice bimini. It's got a full two-part bow and a cockpit cover. Stereo controls right here to the right of the steering wheel. Super sporty boat. It has only 89 hours on it. Really great boat. Fun to drive. The Scarab. Take you a little picture here of the outside of the boat. You got transom controls and speakers here, so you're sitting on the back of the boat. You can hang out back here and run the stereo. Here's the outside. Looks really good. It's the high output motor, so well over 200 horsepower. Pop-up cleats. Lots of great features on this boat. So come and check this boat out at MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina, or give us a call at 864-236-9005 and come and check out this boat, or it'll be on our website at MarineMax Greenville, MarineMaxGreenville.com. Thank you.